So this is current market cap. I am showing you guys Republic project is currently at 0.03547 the current price, and you guys know how new coin do is going to dip before actually going for their own bull run. Every coin has its own time, but that is by the way. Why am I making this video today? There is a good news. I spotted something and I decided to alert you guys. You guys know me, I make videos on this kind of updates, airdrop and USDT update. So few months ago, I have been promoting this particular project called Rpk, Republic Token. So Republic Token is a social media app where you post like for your Facebook and other things and get rewarded in their token. Unlike your Facebook account, unlike your Facebook and Instagram and Twitter, where you have to be a celebrity before you start earning. No, Republic is very, very different from it. So we have been doing the airdrop for a long time now and have been accumulating a lot of XP. XP is their points which they convert to their Rpk token for you. So the Rpk token you get depends on the SP amount you have. So as you can see, so far so good. I've gotten 510.92 Rpk, which I receive community reward every single day from the project. That means they are now giving us their token called Rpk. Now, what is the good news here? Well, the good news here is that we can now withdraw this token to any exchange wallet where you can sell it and make money. So yeah, I didn't lie. I saw a post about it and I decided to make research and it was true. I'm gonna take you guys to it. And how to do it is to log in to their website, Republic. Don't worry, I'm gonna give you. Go and follow the link in the description of this video to my WhatsApp channel, where you will get the link to it. Those of you that have not signed up before to this particular project. So as you can see, you can now stake your coin or place withdrawal on it. So I think the withdrawal is from 1,000 pieces of secure asset to before you make any withdrawal. Please add to verification factor. So you can add it with Authenticator app and configure it, but that is by the way. So but that means we can actually withdraw, and with the information I got, withdrawal can start from 1,000 pieces of RPK per withdrawal minimum. So what is this thing actually saying? Well, that means that means a congratulations to those of you that took the project serious, because right now that means we are not actually wasting our time. There is a reward for us. So RPK is now withdrawable from your account from 1,000 pieces of it up. So for those of you that doesn't really know what to do, for me, I'm currently having 5.10 RPK. What I'm going to do is actually to stake my coin, because they are giving you 80% APY for 30 days, and I don't have up to 1,000 pieces, and I'm not even planning to withdraw the coin now, because if I withdraw it now, it's not going to give me that much gain that I'm asking. So I'm going to withdraw it. Whenever I withdraw it and keep it to my wallet until further notice, when the price will begin to make sense, just like TRS and other little arts are now making sense on their time. So what I have to do is to actually stake my maximum. It's going to stay for 30 days and it will give you the percentage from the 80% API. It's not going to be much, but it's going to be something. So for me, I'm going to click on stake over here, and as you can see, I have successfully staked it till the next 30 days. So that is what I kind of advise anybody to do. But if you have up to 1,000 RPK, you can go ahead and stake. Minimum staking is going to be one from 100 pieces up. So as I just said, what you have to do is to follow the link in the description of this video to my WhatsApp channel, where you will copy the link to this particular project and then start earning from it. So how do you earn? What do you do to earn from it? I'm gonna show you guys in this video now. But before we continue, a quick intro. My name is Rpk and this is Rpk Crypto. This is my channel where I drop updates like this, something that is going to help you make money. So if you are interested in how to earn money from airdrops, new airdrops and USDT updates, I think you're in the right position. What you have to do now is to click on this subscribe button, and then thank you for subscribing to my channel, because you just joined my fan and you are helping the channel grow. And also don't forget to turn on all the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I drop updates. I'm pleading with you guys to help me do this. And then last but not least, drop a like, then tell me whatever you think in the comment section. Ask me a question and I will do my best to answer you. And with this, let's dive into the main video of the day. So first thing is to follow the link in the description of this video to join my WhatsApp group channel, and then copy the link from over there. Then the next thing is to once you're done signing up with your Google account, it's not going to cost you any much time. So once you're done signing up, it's going to look like this, and then the next thing for you to do is to begin to accumulate points. So how do you accumulate points? Well, let's go over to the point section to see how to accumulate points. So if you go over to this particular place, it's going to show you the things for you to do. First of all, if you stay for 7 days streak, they are going to reward you with a surprise boss, which can be 100 points, and because the XP you earn we determine how many RPK you will earn. So as you can see, I'm having 21,949 XP, and that is how I begin to get some amount of RPK token every single day, daily reward. As soon as you have up to 500 XP, you're going to be earning daily reward of your RPK every single day. So as you can see, I just locked my own previously on this video. So now let's talk about how to earn the token. How do you earn the token? Click on this particular place over here, and you will see the things listed for you to earn a token. First of all, you can earn 10 XP by referral. That is those of you that can refer. Those of us that can refer. So you can earn it by referral. You can earn 20 XP for checking in Rpk app every single day. I have earned my own already today, and as you can see it, I just earned. Cut it over here. Let me just scroll up. I earned 26 XP, which including 6 SP badge for using Rpk app today. So that is it. That is the first one. So they have another one which you can earn 5 XP every day for every 5 followers you gain. Maximum is 50 XP per day. You can also earn 5 XP for giving 5 likes every day, 10 XP for receiving 10 likes every day, 10 XP for casting votes and other things. You can read it out and see how it goes. So what do you need to do to be earning from there? First of all, you can also always be uploading something there. You can click on this particular upload section, and you can upload video or photo so that people can engage in it and start earning from it. So once you post, people is going to interact with it, and then you earn SP from it. And also you can also like people's posts. Once you like up to 5 posts, they are going to give you XP reward. And again, you can also get reward by people liking your post. You can earn from people referring you, or from people joining with your link, and once they are earning, you'll be earning from some percentage from them, and that is why you need to always try your best to refer. You can go to Facebook, you can go to Instagram, WhatsApp, and get referrals from anywhere you can get referrals. So as you can see, this is notifications of how I'm earning my own. I earn from my own, and I earn from my referrals also. So that is it. Once you accumulate up to 500 XP, boom, they will be giving you Rpk token. So what you have to do is once you've joined the link, you can follow me, and I will also follow you back. So as you can see, I'm currently having around 900 followers here, and I'm trying my best to follow them. Whenever I come about the account. So as you can see, I'm following everybody that is following me here. So once you follow me, I'm definitely going to follow you back. So that is it. So once you are following me, I'm going to follow you back. What you have to do now is to try your best to join this particular project and start earning. At least you have known the reward that once you have up to 1,000 pieces of Rpk token, you are going to withdraw it and sell it to any exchanges which you like. They are listed in around Mex Exchange, CoinGecko, Bybit, and other exchanges. So the project is legit and the project is real. So that is it for this video. I hope I've given you guys value on this video. The video is long already, and I'm about to close it. I hope you guys got value from it, and if you got value from it, please, I plead with you, drop a like, because it gives YouTube signal that yeah, this video is kind of informative and people are liking it. That means we are going to share it to more people, and you guys are helping my community to grow. So drop a like on the video, subscribe for more updates, and join my WhatsApp channel for more updates like this, and then tell me whatever you think in the comment section. With this I say, see you guys in my next video. Remember, my name still remains King, and this is Rpk Crypto. Remain safe and remain profitable. Bye.